Hello, today I'm going to present you my iMovie project. This iMovie project is about the wonderful beach Caimito. You know that Caimito is one of the last places that connects the forest with the beach. Did you also know that they plant a lot of cacao, but their system to plant doesn't affect the ecosystem and doesn't damage the trees? Two ecosystems I compared was Caimito and La Llorona. Something they have in common is that they are unique reserves all around the world. One difference I found was that Caimito is a mix of two ecosystems, the forest and the beach. I'm gonna tell you my poem that I did about Caimito. The water splashes in my body. The hot yellow sand feels warm in my feet. The sun reflecting in my face. I can feel the burn of the sun in my face. My friends are in the sea, splashing water all over the place. Those gigantic rocks that look like mountains add a very special effect to the beach. The little crabs walk around the sand with their tiny little legs that look like sticks that are about to break. Then there's these big crabs that are bright red with big claws that look like knives. The sand is home of all these wonderful creatures. The algae under the water were bright green with a mix of brown. Some of my friends put them on other people's head. Some of them consider them beautiful and others just ignore them. These plants are a very special effect that every beach in the world should have. The beach is full of wonderful things. We are so lucky to have this paradise. The afternoon is beautiful with a radiant sun that looks like lava. The sand that looks like fire. The sea looks like clear, clean water that you could almost see through it. The beach is something unique in the world. The afternoon there is beautiful. Everything in the beach is so wonderful. I love all about the beach. Thanks for watching my presentation.